My name is Alex Salguero, and I'm President and CEO of Savannah Restaurants Corp. We operate 11 restaurants here in the coastal empire of South Georgia, here in the Savannah area. We have been in business for 25 years now as a Burger King franchisee. I have been in the Burger King system for over 40 years now, both working in the corporate side and then now as a franchisee for the last 26 years. So I've been in the Burger King family for a long time. The restaurant business has always been a cash business, and when you're in a cash business, there's always going to be a certain amount of theft. It can be significant if not controlled. You really need to be tracking on a day-to-day basis, and that's the only way to prevent it. It's to be watching it, virtually all day long, shift by shift, hour by hour. We do find out, of course, when the books are closed, but it's too late to do anything about it. Then you really have to practice a preventive strategy on a daily, hour by hour basis. NextWave has been very effective in identifying weaknesses. The drive-through, which we do, virtually 65 to 70% of our business through. There's multiple ways that they can steal without somebody looking at them. They can not ring up the order. They're stealing your food. They're stealing your revenue, and they're stealing your time. They can void an order and steal the cash. They can delete an order, delete an item, and steal the cash. They can give out free food to their friends. It's never all your employees stealing. It's always a very small handful, but that's the ones you got to catch. Of course, and you got to stay vigilant, because always a new one will pop up on the scene eventually. In the original restaurant where we started testing, we've been able to take the food shrinkage from 3% down to less than 1%. If you have a couple of employees who are stealing from you, they could affect your food cost anywhere from 1% to 3%, which that represents thousands of dollars per month, per year. It's just become a daily struggle now to keep the food from disappearing. We are seeing high levels of food shrinkage in mostly all our restaurants, which is the reason, we went forward and put the system in everywhere. I think NextWave gives you more than one advantage. Of course, you can catch people stealing, and we have caught them, and we have terminated them. The side benefit, I would say, is that we can see how different cashiers, how fast they are, for instance, in taking orders, expediting orders. Certain cashiers just are very slow, and they shouldn't be on drive-through. And we want courteous people, but we want fast people. And it's quite an eye-opener when you first start watching some of these. The timer is going right there on the screen, and you see how fast some of your orders are going out of your restaurant. The problem with cameras, they're only as good as if somebody watches the camera. Nobody takes the time to do that. In our business, nobody has the time to do that. And what NextWave does is just captures the so-called bad moments, condenses it down, so makes it doable for us to take a few minutes and look at these questionable transactions and figure out, did something go wrong here? Is it employee error? Is it customer error? Is it theft? Definitely the number one advantage is to control and prevent theft. That's the number one advantage. If you got a thief stealing on the drive-through, with this system, they're going to get caught. So it's a preventative and a proactive move on our part.